Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm just going to do a quick breakdown of the trade that I'm currently in. You can see it's basically silver. Silver has been good to me. Silver has been good to me for the past few days. I think I'll say maybe for the past 2 weeks. I've been focusing on silver and gold, then some GBP USD and USD JPY. But silver, I've been liking silver and gold in particular, because they've been very easy to trade, especially regarding what has been happening with the dollar. So this is just one of my accounts that I have. Why have I been big on silver, selling silver? That's all that I've been doing essentially. I've just been selling silver. So if we start on the monthly, let's see if we go to the monthly. Let's wait for it. Okay, you might not see a whole lot of detail, but as you can see on the monthly, we have basically been bearish on silver. If we go to the weekly, that has basically been the same story that has been on silver. If you go down to the daily, now you begin to understand why I've been bearish on silver. I think I started around about this point, being bearish on silver. So that's around the 21st of September. So I've just been selling silver, and in some instances, of course, my trailing stops were being hit. That's why I've been getting into trades and getting out of trades, because my trailing stops have been hit. Let me just put in a trailing stop there. And what in this scenario, what I usually do would be to take out a good percentage of my trade. But here, since I've got 0.10, I'm not so sure. Maybe let me just do that for the sake of keeping to my rules. So you then go here, it's just a simple position 0.10, so I'll just go 0.09. It's going to allow me. Yes, let's just remove that. So that's how you take off risk from your position. Then whatever happens. You can see my take profit is essentially at this level. So essentially whatever happens in this scenario, that's fine. I've basically banked some good profit, as you can see there. So what is left is to see whether my trailing stop is going to be hit. I've bad experiences with trailing stops. It seems the moment that I put a trailing stop, it goes and gets hit. That's why sometimes I just let my positions run before I start even thinking about trailing stops. But silver, I started selling it around about here, like I told you, and that was a good sell. And I think I got stopped out somewhere here, because I was aiming for this point, and I got stopped out somewhere here, and then it bounced back, and I thought, let me just leave it and I'll wait for it to come around these zones again. And I sold it again, and it basically dropped, and my target was around this point, and that target was fulfilled, and I was happy. And lo and behold, I saw silver continuing to drop. So I believe I sold again around this point, and unfortunately that trade I got stopped out. But I entered again around this point, targeting this midpoint, which was filled. And then I waited to see if we're going to continue dropping. It didn't happen, and I knew, let me wait for price to come around these zones. It did, so I sold, and my target was around the next zone. And as you moved around the midpoint there, I basically closed half of my position, and I moved my trailing stop, and lo and behold, it was actually what? It was actually hit. Like I said, I don't know. Tell me what you think about trailing stops. But I haven't been liking them lately because I've just been getting stopped out of positions. Then in this scenario, I missed actually this trade. I missed this trade. That's why I caught this trade right at the bottom, and we'll see where it's going to take us. So I just wanted to show you how easy it can be to actually trade silver and gold. Silver and gold, if you are just understanding what supply and demand is doing, support and resistance. I know people hate it. People hate these simple concepts because people want some special source, some special strategy, some special concept, and stuff like that. This is essentially how I trade, guys. And I'm a swing trader, so I'm fine with holding my trades for a very long time. And it's especially important with silver, because silver is a very small market when it's compared to gold and other forex pairs like Euro USD and stuff. Silver is a very small market, so it doesn't move much, but per pip value on silver, I promise you, if you catch a good trade on silver, you'll be smiling. Because in terms of pip value on silver, it's worth more than many forex pairs. So if you are somebody who hates indices, somebody who hates gold, you hate the normal forex pairs and stuff like that, and you are not making as much money with those, maybe try silver and gold, try metals. Pip value, they pay more, but if you also get caught on the wrong side of the market, you know what I'm talking about. If you actually get caught on the wrong side of the market, you also quickly lose your account. But basically, if you just trade supply and demand, you can see what I have here. It's very simple. I'm just waiting for price to touch my areas there, my zones there. I think on this channel I shared with you this system. You can go watch that video, or you can find it and you can basically download this system. So silver, gold, try those things, guys, if you are struggling with indices, forex and stuff like that. With silver, obviously, I said just be patient with it. Gold would have taken off already in this scenario, but silver moves at a small pace, but it pays big time. So guys, if you're new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Like the video. Otherwise, guys, I will see you in the next one. Bye.